Hey guys, John Bennett here. Just walking through the woods. Came across this tent in this swamped marsh area. If you watched my video on the 5 W's of camp placement, the first W was water. I warned people about camping in low-lying areas and the dangers of flooding. Here we go, a perfect example of that risk. Hopefully this person didn't wake up in this. If you're a heavy sleeper, this could have flooded overnight, filled your tent with water and drowned you, or at least ruined all your camping equipment. We all know camping equipment is not cheap, so set your tent up on higher ground and prevent this problem. That water's at least 18 inches deep. If this ever happens to you, don't just leave your equipment out there. When the water level goes down, bring out a garbage bag and some gloves. Gather all of it up and discard of it properly. Try not to leave it out there. If they would have set that tent up 20 foot further back, they would have been fine.